And this lesson we'll be focusing on solving simultaneous equations using Crammer's rule. So assuming we are given this equation to solve, the first step is to form a matrix from the coefficients of x and y. So here, coefficients of x are 5 and 6, and the coefficients of y are 9 and 2. They are going to multiply it with the variable that we're looking for, which are x and y, and then equate it to the constants, which are minus 3 and 2. So the next step we're going to make is to find the determinant of this problem matrix. So we're going to find the determinant of this 5, 6, 9 and 2. So which is going to give us 5 times 2 minus 6 times 9. So this is 5 times 2 minus 6 times 9. So 5 times 2 is 10, minus 6 times 9 is 54. So 10 minus 54 is going to be equals to negative 44. So this is the determinant of the problem matrix. And then next step is to find the values of x and y. And so here the values of x is given by the determinant of, now we're going to replace this 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are the coefficients of x. So first, to find the value of x, we're going to replace the coefficients of x, which is 5 and 6, with the constants, which is negative 3 and 2. So we have negative 3 and 2, and then we now have 9 and 2. I have 9 and 2. So we're going to find the determinant of this matrix and then divide it by the answer we got. That's the determinant of the problem matrix that we formed from the coefficients of x and y. And then y is given by the determinant of, this is 5 and then 6. Then we're going to replace this 9 and 2, which are the coefficients of y, with minus 3 and 2. So you have minus 3 and 2. Then divide by the determinant of the problem matrix, which we have found here. So the determinant of this matrix is equal to minus 3 times 2. You have minus 3 times 2, then minus 2 times 9, 2 times 9. So this is going to give us minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, then minus 2 times 9 is 18, minus 6 minus 18 is going to give us minus 24. So this minus 24 divided by minus 44, so which is going to give us 6 over 11 as our value of x. And then for y, the determinant of this matrix 5, 6, minus 3 and 2 is going to be 5 times 2 minus 3 times 6. So this is going to give us 10 minus 3 times 6 is minus 18. And so we have that this is equals to 10 minus minus is plus, 10 plus 18 is going to give us 28. So this is going to be 28 divided by this minus 44. I have minus 44. So it's going to be equal to minus 7 over 11. So the value of our x and y, where am I going to write it? So I have that x is equal to 6 over 11, which is this, and then y is equal to minus 7 over 11, which is equal to this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.